Boston.
Okay. You ready?
In Massachusetts.
Wait, right here.
Hello, everyone. We're at Hampton in Boston, Massachusetts.
Okay, good. We're gonna check out the elevator.
Yeah. There's 2 doors.
2 elevators. Tell them what you think about these elevators.
They're really nice. Really nice motor, and you can see the shaft.
Yes, so you can see the
And
shaft
the vents.
and the vents on this one, which is kind of unusual, right?
Yeah, I know I can see the shaft.
So I'll try to record that. So this hotel has 7 floors, and what do we stay on? Which floor did we stay on?
2.
Yep.
Oh.
What?
Yeah.
Oh. What's that? If you have an emergency, who do you call?
911.
Mm-hmm. Are you going up?
We'll go to 1.
Up?
Yeah, we're going to
Okay. Okay, I think it's going up. Or we do you hit down?
Yeah, I hit down.
Okay.
I think it's going down. Oh. Okay.
Okay. We can start after now. Okay, which floor are you going to?
7.
Okay, hit it.
Let's go to 7.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the vent. You want me to get the vent, right?
Yeah. There's the bed.
You see the shaft?
Yeah.
I don't see it.
Should be there.
Maybe it's a single. It's so dark. I can try it again when I go down. Alright, there's the door.
We got the right one. The right one is actually the rose broken elevator in the wait.
Alright,
Go 1.
and I got all the details.
We'll go 2.
There's the ceiling. It's kind of standard, boring.
That's only for the left elevator. You can
Oh,
see
so
the
it's gonna
shaft.
get on.
Alright, we're gonna take.
Oh, it's the other elevator with
Yes,
the
it's
shaft?
the other elevator.
Okay. Hi.
Hello.
I think you're right. So we'll have to get that one. Do you like the beep sound on this one?
It's good chime.
Yeah. Is that what we call it, a chime?
Yeah, it's chime.
Okay.
But we need the younger one.
Okay.
Oops.
So let that one go up, and then it's that one, so if you hit it, it should open. Hit it.
Wait,
Hit it, man.
3, 2, 1.
Hit it. Hopefully this one will open. Oh no.
Okay, let's.
Send it up.
No, it's hit 2, right?
Yeah, send it to 2. Alright. Now grab this one before it goes.
And
Aha!
there it is.
My plan worked. Okay, now.
7.
Okay, 7. Let's see. We can see the shaft.
Yep. This is shaft.
There it was.
This is
Yeah,
shaft.
you can see it. How about that, people?
That's you can see that shaft.
Yep, I saw it. I can still see it.
It's kind of squeaky.
It is squeaky. This one's squeakier than the other one.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, lots of rattles. I think I like the right one better.
Yeah. Let's go to 1.
Okay. And this is a Dover. We don't ride too many Dovers.
Yeah. I can see the indicator. It's different.
Show me the indicator.
That's the indicator.
Okay.
The indicator is so different than most of the elevators.
Yeah. It's got the square buttons instead of the round.
Okay, I saw the elevator shut.
You see it again? All right, so let's go back up to 2 because I think Daddy's there waiting for us.
Yep, let's go. Right now.
Okay. There. Yeah. Oh, it's Daddy!
Hey!
We're coming to see you.
Oh, coming up.
2.
How about
please.
that?
Sure, let's go 2.
That's what I just said. Let's go to 2. Daddy's waiting. And here you are.
Ooh. Nice.
Can't you see it a little bit? Okay. All right.
Nice.
We're going to conclude this tour.
Yep.
Anything else you want to say to your peeps?
It was nice. It was a nice elevator.
Yeah. Anything
Say
else?
goodbye. There goes the
Bye.
elevator.
Okay.
And
You want to thank them for anything?
look, Daddy.
Bryce.
Here goes.
Bryce.
Daddy. Thanks for watching. Hey, Daddy. Hey.
He
if
did
you
say
go
thanks for
behind,
watching, I
look,
promise.
You could.